I dey greet every Sierra Leonean. Today, na the 11th. Me at one. Now, an escoma, we can begin curse you publicly. Now, host na Makeni, if you not take time, we go for we put and burn and put and down. We don't know for say SLPP now they give them scope. Any day they tell people they say peace, peace, peace. What people they want gap, they say peace, 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 peace. This peace, peace here, now in they make so 30 days, the people out, they go enter like the mouth, kill people there. For saying more peace, 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 peace. What peace come? Now Sierra Leone, other people and they what them keep cut their hand, cut their head. We all see. As in that first they reach Makeni people they say the war for them. Now we don't stand against na Issa. Connect Issa he say he stand for peace. Then later what he then do? Then SLPP, same SLPP apakaba they all about put in a prison, say they like in the day. Well, the one where they can start now Sierra Leone so right now. What would they start now? Or they no peace not just for happen in another country day because we know say anybody who get for sign for peace na jelly get for rotting. And it's command for you would effect for wait you will come on a street so now for picking there. Who they get for calm. Now they take me to come on a street. But then people there what they come they say every northerner they for killer. Every northerner they for put them down. Yeah, who said they start on a pa you then start pa because they know for say now you know more all they get international connection. As they able you, all man don't die. It be any kind of party now, if not today. Then people there they ready for put everybody that hurt everybody. Who that they want? Now you they want. Then you back, you know they see who say them people there see. Who they come on the street. You don't get for tell you nothing again. Who anytime when they own anybody, they only know he say even if he write press release them more than 100. Nobody not for you the fet. Now you did before. But we not agree for make them hurt anybody from the north. We the young man there. We would sponsor who come to the way and they under. So me life and they must happen. Who would they begin it first here? You know there for stop. Nobody not afraid. Them are me to bombo thing they are. Then they pursue people and kill people there. Then if they see the civil society there, then they go to the radio station, they give them money. They kill people in Atonko, they not ever pull a press. They kill people in Makeni, they not ever pull a press. They kill people in Afalaba, they not ever pull a press. Who say they don't kill? Other people then go demonstrate for protect another people there. Now they then go pull a press. You know for happen, you know for be so. Who that thief rich SLPP? Who that thief rich SLPP? Then give una one old cheap press. Pass way, Gaddafi come, now you can talk about that. And it's command do una nothing. You Madabio, you thief Salomoni, you on our way go Ghana, you go buy us America. Now you SLPP people in tell Salon people in. They know you come and it's command just say peace. They tell you say, oh this bastard, oh yeah, this is not dog, Ola. He say no, you know the Ola. In a peace. This peace here make sense today. They want to go peace now you face right now. Now you face they want peace right now. But the peace now you face, but we not face what we face not for you. We will face for we own picking there. It tells anybody fucking begin to say, nobody not face for you, we will not agree. NCD at the north, who have responsibility for defend with people there. So me left and easy, we go to another country there. They go there, we begin buy them from Guinea. Take go inside, if you have got last name, we buy them go there. So me left and easy, now they're up now, they will begin wait for them. Anybody will come for whatever, we will find inside, they will kill the people there. For me, they know for certain people that they're already. Me, I'm not afraid though. Me, I'm moment I'm called. When I watch me face, like you want to do this video, so they want you have done one. But by God in power, when they come together, we all know them born or not. Anybody who pray this back to them, moment to so. By God in power. I know for say we are not to good people there. We are not people who can destroy people in life. We are not civil society there. When they go for another country, we will kill now one by one. We know they go pull press release. Then they keep people there. We are not they put press release. They keep people in the parliament. We are not talking nothing. Because una dey wait for them brown envelope what the government dey give una. For make una talk for the civilian and the common man there, una no dey do am. So me left any dey look for una. Una begin kill una by smuggle. If you no do am, una change me name. Me I know dey talk something I eat am. Me na moment am for. By God in power, they begin to una do anything. Some of you they go lay life for una. Who life they go lay for una. Una na full of people in a kakade. The kakade like una. How them bomb una bad. Who that rich Marabio. Naya Jules Jalo say. He say an Escoma if you want behave like a chairman and leader, then they treat her like chairman and leader. That is showing for this corruption where they effect to, not to corruption in the effect to. They can't fucking damage people in the north. They can't fucking damage their company there. But who now they put on our people? Not upon who they effect to, who they effect for young picking there. Because anything I get right now picking again for can so far up in there, who then at the north. They are than a revenge and count. They say APC, now they be make one party states. So then they can revenge. The way all the way then they revenge, then they hurt everybody. Then at any election where they make and they win now. Bastard or Mami Bombo if they happen in that country day. So me left anybody don't come out. Anybody will not come out. You know grip for any person. Now next will they go for the parents, will they kill an incident at the north. Will they kill the parents there if you not come out? We'll all die now. So me left if they happen. We don't bloody for una. Who they come? We don't have bastard picking it. Now Sierra Leone we grieve for peace. We not McKinney. Now we grieve for now they peace come. Now una dey go put fire papa we again for make we gap. To me life anything with the gap. And it's come on no for listening ourselves. Because now only don't also tomorrow they die, next tomorrow they die, we don't know. But we dey fight for we right. To me life anything they happy. But what they talk, nobody know. When people say a joke at the joke, me know they talk so no more. But the other they talk so everything I mean am. Una the bastard mami to thing there. Marabio mama Bombo. Jules Jalo. You mama Pima. So me life and they will come for una family there under. Una then civil society there. Na pa una will begin pa. We dey begin kill na puna na country. Kill una. If they see bullet, you know they know who say come out. We dey treat una. Yeah. We can another country there for make go and develop for una. Who they come? Inshallah, who they come? Una them bastard dog who then kakana got us so una say una go fight corruption. Na rest non lost Sierra Leone so. Rest na don lost na Sierra Leone so. Picking the rest who say go. The anti-corruption you know catch don you know catch. Na Sierra Leone a minister come out and say let put 99% let use that, the 1% let put on their pocket. They don't get man shut down. That is shown how these governments are corrupt. Printer shall be there. Say they come out to Lunge Bridge, lie. Say Bekri, lie. Then they can build another thing there. All the things they don't do. All now lie. Now they don't see like say they don't fail the people. They say they for hurt everybody now. Everything poor. I for poor. Meaning doubt war for making it happen. So me left and is now una don't start we endorse am for una. So me left and is we dey do am by God in power. Inshallah. Una people say una na dog there. We dey treat una like dog. We dey treat una like dog. So me left and is the one una dey look for. So me left and is they happen. Today, una dey give the civil society the money for going to talk all kind of rubbish. They know they even see it inside the 2 day. They just they talk no more about bata. Go up and down. What they hear for they kill people there, on my 6 months, you make so. When they kill people there, they make so. When confusion come, we say they not keep person. On my they go and pull in press release. They say an Escoma dey par money laundry. Yeah. Boy, you know ever come on na the ACC. Na the COI. You know ever hear nande. Now what they do today? I hear somebody he go make like say from the time when the commission starts. Now the radio station and they talk for say them for ban and Escoma them be don't talk then be don't talk for say and Escoma be there for money laundering. Wait, no ever put on the report. They let they would hear all let they say them pray and escoma in him. But who don't bless now, God bless him. But if you don't know himself, would they curse him for knowing and doing and escoma? Would they curse you for knowing and doing? By God in power, would they start and by you? That by you would they start and by, and who would they start and by you? You out to the burn and come down. Then we're gonna we begin run down for them. Anybody who get us in our country, the big minister, a big first minister now, a big recent minister, would they put all down. For me, we don't know for say we don't ready for now. Because if we begin left the host, then they say na because of an escoma. Yeah, but now by you would they start by, then we're gonna observe for go. To me like when they say, who they begin execute now. To me like when they say, you dey see, who know they talk a lick more. For say who don't pick than a lick back. Who know they do that? All what they happen rubbish, then they count. This con man government here. Anything they know you do, man stop play.